Can people send me money on Monzo? Intro. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering the question, can people send me money on Monzo? This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the answer, I want to give you a little bit of background on Monzo. Monzo is a mobile-only bank that offers a variety of banking services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. One of the great things about Monzo is that it's very easy to use. You can do everything you need to do from your phone, including checking your balance, making payments, and transferring money. Answer. So, can people send you money on Monzo? The answer is yes. There are a few different ways that people can send you money on Monzo. Bank transfer. People can transfer money from their bank account to your Monzo account using the sort code and account number. Bank details. People can use your Monzo bank details to set up a direct debit. Pay link. You can generate a pay link, which is a unique link that people can use to send you money. Monzo app. If the person you're sending money from also has Monzo, they can send you money directly through the app. Additional information. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about sending money on Monzo. There is no fee for sending or receiving money on Monzo. Money will usually be credited to your account within a few minutes. You can send money to anyone in the world, as long as they have a bank account. Conclusion. So, there you have it. People can definitely send you money on Monzo. If you're looking for a convenient and easy-to-use way to send and receive money, then Monzo is a great option. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And with that, thanks for watching. Until next time.